Hey, real estate investors, syndicators, and capital raisers. I wanted to just say happy 2025. At PREIshare, we are very dedicated this year to focusing in on our approved sponsor group. And here's some of the things that we're rolling out for you or continuing forward, which are things that you can look forward to. So if you are an approved sponsor with us here at PREIshare, we want to continue with the services that we've provided in the past and also roll out some new ones. If you're considering becoming an approved sponsor with us, here's what to look forward to. First of all, our LP Leads program is going very well. In fact, as of the recording of this video, we're about a week and a half from closing out. We just closed out a property for a group out in Texas. And so they are really excited about that. In fact, I'm going to cut over here and you're going to get to listen to Ian talk about it.
Investors should look at this as a 5-year exposure. Having said that, of course, we're also offering investors the opportunity to be part of the PREI platform, which means that if in the unlikely event they may want to liquidate their investment, we're part of the platform and therefore we're giving investors the opportunity to put their shares onto the platform and see if they can seek a buyer beforehand.
So in addition to the LP Leads program, we also are aligning with some lenders that specifically understand commercial real estate and structures of syndications in getting your debt for your projects. So all types of debt, including traditional MBS and bridge debt. So if you're looking for those, we do have some referral connections for you that way. But also what we want to do for you is help you with your lead flow. So if you are looking for a specific type of property for your next transaction, we want to use our network to help you find it. If you don't know, Michael Anderson, before syndicating real estate, which he did over $7 billion worth of, he actually used to connect the two pieces between the investor and the property seller. And that was a great success. So he has a huge network within the CCIM network and beyond. So if you can give us the criteria and you're willing to sign a simple buyer broker agreement with us for anything that we bring your way, we would love to help you with more deal flow in your specific area that meets your criteria. And then in addition to that, we have always been a very content-driven company, and we want to continue to build out more content with our approved sponsors. So we have a few ideas on that, but we would also love your input. If there's something that you would like to share and say that can bring value to our audience, let's jump on a call, let's put together a Zoom, let's bring you into the studio, and let's record some great content together. Also, one of the things that I would like to put together is a segment called Full Cycle Fridays. So if you have projects where you're willing to share the entire deal, good, bad, and ugly, and we can go through the details of a property that you have taken full cycle, I would love to record those. And what that is going to do is it's going to continue to build credibility within our ecosystem of PREIshare and beyond. So as we're continuing to spend money to send traffic to our YouTube, to our website, you get to be highlighted and featured as the superstars that you absolutely are. We understand that those that have the influence that are going to help us make a change for the better in the industry with the liquidity factor that PREIshare brings to the table, it's going to be you guys. It's going to be you guys that are doing the hard work of creating these passive investment opportunities. And in addition to all of these things, we also want to bring you together with others in the industry so that you can do more business and raise more capital. We actually have an event coming up April 24th through the 26th where we are going to be bringing together some of the best capital raisers that we know and also some of the qualified investors from our network to speak to you about what's going on in today's industry. But it's not just speaking. This is going to be an interactive event where we get you together with others who can help you succeed. Partnerships, joint ventures, collaborations, I see coming out of that room, and we would love to have you there. We look forward to working with you. 2025 is going to be a great year.